goes. He's going to push himself off.
Yeah.
There he goes.
That's adorable. Say
Hi,
hi.
bear.
He's just pushed himself off.
Kind of looks fun though, doesn't it?
What's he doing? Is he swimming?
He's going swimming.
Come here, I want to see him.
What are y'all looking at?
The bear's pushed himself off the wall and he floats backwards.
Oh, look at that. Look at him. Oh, look at him.
Oh my
That
god.
is something to watch.
Is that funny?
That is funny. It's a funny bear.
You have to entertain yourself, right?
And what happens if we fall in?
How cute.